add some kanji symbols. So just pick up. I'll put maybe 2 or 3 in. Put 1 in. Put 2 in. Line them up. And put 3 in. Now, in the same way as we did with the logo and the text, we can attribute or link a beat with this button. So we would go up to add script again, make sure it's highlighted on here, and if you're not sure on here, if there's a couple of buttons that are close or a couple of images, have a look on here and it'll highlight. So that's kill. That is what kill means. I hope so. So you would go to add script, make sure they're highlighted, then go add script, events, go to buttons. Now this is where I had to do a bit of trial and error. What you want to do is when you're making the beats, the beat buttons, you want to go on press, add script, sound this time instead of browser, and on press should be stop all sounds. Always put that on, because it means if there's another beat playing, once you press your new beat, once you click the mouse down, it'll stop the previous beat. So that's really important. So if you go to add script again, we're going to do events, button, and now on the release, that's when you're going to play your beat. So we'll go add script. Now we've got that in on release. So you want to add script, sound, play sound this time. As you can see, it's in red, so that's not complete. You want to come over this right side to import. If you click your import, it'll take you to your file browser, and you can choose which beat you want to put in. So I'm going to put this Skratch loop in here. Close that. Skratch beat 2 July 10. I'm going to put that in. So if you press open, it'll load it in to your sound bin here, and because that's still in red, it means again it's not complete. So that there is not linked to that as it is now. But if I click my beat, as you can see, that then changes this left side to blue, and that means it's complete. So we should now have a linked beat to this this image, but it won't be looped. So what you've got to do to loop it, it's fairly simple. Well, it is simple. Go to sound effect on the right hand side, click that, and loop sound, and just put in, I'll just put 99999, and then it sorts itself out once you've okayed it. So you don't want, you make sure you tick this box, because obviously if the beat's playing once, you don't need to play again. So if you click that, and that sorts that out. And what you can do is, depends, if you put 10 beats in, a couple are a bit quiet. Obviously you want to keep the levels of the beats the same in each of the buttons that you make. Although you can't go past 100%, what you can do is you can make, say if 2 are quiet out of 10, you could change the other 8 to have 80% say volume, and that brings the louder ones back down to the quiet one, and then that allows you to have a more balanced volume. So you know what I mean, one's not loud, one's not quiet. So that, anyway, that's how you do that. So you can change that to put 80 in there, and you can OK that. If you want to change it to get back, you can just change that to 82 or whatever you want. I'll put it back to 100. So again, that's still blue, so that's linked to that. And to preview, you go play movie, which sets it off as your preview. And then if I click this, the loop should play. Which it does. Now, because I stopped the preview bar there, it stopped the beat, but if I'd left it, it wouldn't have stopped, because you haven't set anything within the workspace area to stop playing your beats, apart from when you click the mouse down on there. So what you want to do is highlight the background image. Again, if you click on there, or you can just go straight to here and click on there, Bloody Blade for Looper. And then once you've clicked that, we're going to do the same thing and convert it into a button to put an action to it. So we want to add script, as we did before, events, button, and on press we want to create an action for it. So add script, sound, stop all sounds, and that's blue, so that's worked. So now we've got the background. If we are playing a beat and we want to stop the beats playing, you would click the background. So that's that done. If you preview it, I'll show you. So press the beat and we're going to stop it. And it's stopped there because you clicked the background image, which you've just set to stop all sounds. Stop. Okay, so you can do that with, I'll do it with the second one as well, just so get another run through on it. So we're going to add script, events, button, on press again, add script, sound, stop all sounds, and then on the release part you want to create your sound. So add script, events, button, on release, add script, sound, play sound. So then we'll put another beat in. Again, it's red, so it's not completed. That's your original beat, so you don't want to link that up or else you'd have the same beat playing. So you want to import another beat. In this case we're going to put this beat, July 10. Okay, that, we'll open it, and that puts the second beat in your bin. But again, because it's red, it's still not linked to it. So all we're going to do is click that. That now changed to blue. So now you've got this going to be playing beat 3, July 10. So we'll preview that and see how that goes. The first beat, stop that. Second beat, the one we just put on, and there you go. And we stop the preview. So then you would just do the rest of the beats, however many you want on the page. You could have 20, you could have 30. Obviously the end file you have at the end will be increasing for as long. The more loops you put in, the more space you take up. But the way we've just done that, with the first two beats, you